What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I was just thinking about something because I took a bit of knowledge from Mark Cuban a while back. Right? I saw an interview where I guess he was going over somebody's portfolio or talking about his own portfolio. I can't even remember exactly what it was, but I know he said that I don't invest into anything that doesn't pay me for holding it, right? Because he was talking about how the stock market is now and how it doesn't really feel like you even own a piece of the company. Before, it felt like you owned part of the company when you invested into stock. And now it feels like you don't really own anything. You're just, getting the money to then make more money, and that's it. But he stated that in the past it felt like you were holding something, you got something in return. So anytime that he would buy into something, he would want to get like a dividend or something that's going to be paid back to him in the process of holding. And I thought that was amazing because that really solidified my long-term journey to have a bunch of different dividend positions get paid monthly or quarterly, in anything that I hold. Staking within crypto, just every type of idea that I could to be able to gain something extra on top of what I was holding. So, with that being said, I get a lot of questions where people are like, what's the best opportunity for me to invest into XRP, but also be able to gain something in the process? And I'm like, that if I could figure that out and find the best opportunity to do that, I will, one, do it and also talk about it. And I think I have, right? I've been talking about this, platform that I've been working with for about 2 months, I guess, at this point. And I made my move instead of into USDT. I made a move into XRP because they allow that position over there, and you can gain an APY with it. So I was like, let me go ahead and see what this is all about. And I'm gaining a lot of XRP in the process. So I want to talk about this platform as well as what I've gained and what the process is going to be and how much I decided to allocate, because I think it is very important because you have to trust, right? Just like you would trust a Coinbase or a Binance, you have to trust that what you are doing and where you are putting your money, you believe in and you've done your research. And I decided to make that move. So let's talk about that in this video. Guys, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links is for the platform that we are talking about today, and the position that we're talking about today, which is FortisX. You can keep your holdings working for you, earning up to 20.72% variable APY, no lockups, withdraw anytime that you want to, and they've been around for a long time, operating since 2018, public audit reports, you have public US filings, SEC Form D, and again, no lockups. You have withdrawal anytime that you actually want to, public leadership, all the stuff that you want to see. So definitely go and give the link a check, right? Click the link, see if you like it, do your research, and then go about maybe watching the rest of this video to see what it's all about. But that link will be down in the description. It'll also be in the comment section. But first, let's start with just understanding where XRP is, right? Because I always like to give you a little bit of an overview of where it is and then what I've been able to gain and what the process is. So XRP sits at $1.07. It's moved a little bit, but then came back, and then we haven't really seen too much crazy movement in the past week or so, right? The past week, the highest price that we saw was about 115, $1.15 before decreasing back down to 107, increasing back up to 110, 111, and then decreasing to where we are at 107. So not really any crazy positive movement that we really want to see, especially after understanding that July was very bullish last year, back up to a price of $3.65 of a high, right? So obviously, July was very bullish, but we are not seeing the same thing. Are we now going to see a bounce from this July and August is going to push? Who really knows? Because the crypto market is very unpredictable. We're sitting at a $67 billion market cap with $1 billion worth of volume, which is a 1.5, 1.6 volume to market cap ratio. Now, with that being said, throughout this process of XRP making these moves, I've been holding XRP, right? From a value of $3.65 all the way back down to $1. It's not saying that I'm upset with it. I know it can go a lot further. $3.65 is not one of my exit strategies, one of my exit plans. So that's just how I invest and how I'm making money. However, through the process of holding, I can gain more as I understand that this is going to be worth a lot more in the end. So more recently, I found FortisX, which I just talked about a little bit ago, where you can gain up to 20.72% variable APY. This is my portfolio right now. My portfolio has about 22,000, 23,000 XRP sitting in here, right? I have accrued over 200 XRP in the 20 days, let's say, that I've been holding, a little bit less than that. So I've been gaining about 10 XRP per day, meaning that if you see this at a price of $10, right, and I get to 1,000 XRP, I've gained $10,000, right? If you see this at a value of $100, I've gained $100,000. If you see this at a value of $1,000, I've gained $1 million, right, off of what I've been able to get just from FortisX alone. Now, if you don't know my portfolio, just to give you an understanding of how this really does play out and how much I decided to allocate towards it, I have just over 200,000, right? 20,000 XRP is around 10% of what I own. I didn't put the entire amount that I own. I only put 10% of what I own over there, and I'm still gaining a massive amount with it. Now, this is a variable APY, so as people do make these moves and allocate towards the liquidity pool, we may see the percentages that do go down just to be able to make sure that you're getting paid out these percentages and everything that's happening there with this boost. But you're still getting something. Even if it was 1%, I still would be like, that's amazing, right? It's an extra amount of XRP that I'm gaining every single day, every single month, every single year. And how much that can be, it can attribute to when it comes to XRP being at its highest price or a recent or a recently high price, $3.65, $5, $10, whatever. You now see so much success in just the amount that you accrued. That's what I'm hype about. So again, it's only 10% of my portfolio, and maybe 10% of your portfolio is 1,000. But if you can gain an extra 20% over the year with that 1,000 that you have, that's an extra 200, right? Added to your portfolio. And if it's at $100 a piece or $10 a piece, you're gaining a decent amount, $2,000, $20,000 off of it, depending where you see that high point at. So I'm not telling you guys need to make this move. I'm just letting you know that I've accrued 211 and it's going to consistently increase. It's going to get to 1,000. It's going to get to 2,000. It's going to get to 10,000. And I'm going to have an extra 10,000 XRP in my possession. No matter how high this price actually goes, it goes to $10. I'm still accruing the same amount of XRP every day, which means that right now I'm gaining $10 a day. When it grows to $10, I'm gaining $100 a day, right? When it grows to $100, I'm gaining $1,000 a day, right? And so on and so forth. Now, I don't know exactly what the process is going to be or what I'm going to have. If it goes to a level of $100, I told you of what I'm going to do exit plan wise. So all of that may be gone by the time we get to here, but I'm just accruing more and adding more to my portfolio in the process. So it's amazing, right? That's what I just wanted to talk to you guys about. I wanted to tell you that I've taken that plan that that tip that I took from Mark Cuban and said, hey, I want to gain something with the positions that I'm holding. The most money that I have into a position is XRP. And I'm gaining profit throughout other ones like Cosmos and ADA and Solana and I'm trying to think of other ones. Can't really think of other ones right now, but I'm gaining a lot through other positions that I don't have as much money into, but I'm gaining something with. But XRP I wasn't gaining anything with, and I've been holding it for a while. I would love to have found this sooner because I would have been gaining this entire time. So can't wait to see what this ends up being, but I'll keep you guys updated on the information, where things stand, how much I end up getting to, all of that. But I just wanted to put this your way so you guys can make a decision on your own. Go over to the link that I have down below. It'll take you here, and you'll be able to do your research into what FortisX is, what you could earn, find any FAQs or any questions that you do have. Click into what you need to click into to get the answers that you need to eventually make the move or not make the move. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.